Hi, welcome to Grinfer, an all-in-one marketplace for selling online courses, mentoring, and consulting. We're excited to see you here. Let's get started with your first course. Once you've signed up and set up your profile, click Courses at the top of the page and press Create a new course. Set up the language of your course, choose a category and subcategory. Then come up with a catchy image that brings more attention to your course in the marketplace. The next big step is coming up with a course title. The title is king. Think of keywords people use to search for the skills you teach, as if they would Google it. Let's get to the next section, cover description. Put your best foot forward. Create a convincing description that will attract the audience and tell your learners why your course is useful and worth buying. To build more trust, create a short welcome video where you can introduce yourself to potential students and highlight the main points you teach in the course. Set up the price of your course. Take into account what specific skills are covered, how long it took you to create it, and how affordable you want it to be. Now you're all set with the course info. Time to create lessons. It is totally up to you how many lessons your course will contain. Think of a name and description for each lesson. We recommend shooting bite-sized videos and covering only one subject in one lesson. To add image, video, or file, press plus and choose whatever you want to upload. Your lessons can consist of several videos or a mixture of video files, images, and attachable files. You'll be given a few options to upload your file from Google Drive, the hard drive of your computer, or a file that already exists on Grinfer. Choose the file you want to upload and press complete. What if something goes wrong and you have uploaded the wrong file? Simply move your cursor to space after the video and press backspace. Then choose the right file and upload it. Now, once everything is fine and the lesson is ready, press Create Lesson. Here we go, your lesson is here. Now you can create as many as you want. You can edit, delete, and change the sequence of your lessons at any time. Want to see how your course looks in the marketplace? Press Course Preview and check it out. And if you want to know how your learners will see your course, press Preview Course in the learner's account. Once your course is ready, the lessons are polished and all set for the marketplace, click Publish. Approved courses become available in the marketplace, and that is the moment when enlightenment begins. See, simple as that. If you still have any questions, drop us a line at support@grinfer.com. With all the love, Grinfer support team.